guys out there, again meeting you back. So came up with a day before Diwali vlog. So this is my first vlog. Hope that you will support more and more. So let's start. I have completed my morning routine and thereafter I have already cleaned my home every nook and corner, and so the next thing I'm gonna do is henna paste preparation. For the henna paste preparation you will need lemon, sugar, rose water, henna powder, tea decoction, eucalyptus oil or balm, lemon squeezer, spoon, a plastic sheet, bowl with lid, waste socks. First, add 6 tablespoons or as per as you wish into the bowl. Then squeeze 3 full lemon with the help of squeezer. Mix it well. Add either a eucalyptus oil or balm. I mean headache balm. Add some amount of tea decoction gradually into it. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water and mix it well. And then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it without any lump. Thereafter, keep aside with airtight container for a day. Meanwhile, it was drizzling outside, so just took a clip. Bonus. Before applying the henna, apply some lemon on your hand to give bright color and let it to dry and start your henna designs. For making henna cone, take 7-inch sheet. Do exactly what I'm doing. Thereafter, secure it with the tape. Now, cone is ready. Transfer your henna paste and tape it well. Now your henna for Diwali is ready. The next thing I'm gonna do is to wash these things. So which is really challenging to me. Finally, I nailed it. Thereafter, and I just gone to make some delicious sweet for this Diwali. We are doing 2 different sweets. One is rasgulla by my sister Deepika and gujiya that is sweet so much by me. So let's see the preparation of rasgulla. Things you need: 2 liters of milk, 4 lemon, 2½ cup of sugar and water. Boil the milk, let it to boil. Meanwhile, add 4 full lemon into a bowl and some amount of water, mix it well. Now the milk is boiled well, add the lemon juice gradually, stir it well. Now the milk will start to curdle. Switch off the stove, let it to sit for 15 minutes. Take a strainer, make it to sit on a bowl, cover that with a white cloth and don't use any cloths that is dyed like my towel. So squeeze it so that no water should be left in the milk. Transfer into a bowl and knead it for 10 to 15 minutes. Make a small balls. Tips: Make the balls 2 times smaller than what size you want. Meanwhile, add 2½ cup of sugar in 8 cups of water. Let it to boil. The syrup starts to bubbles. After the syrup starts to bubbles, make the flame into high and start adding all the balls into it. Close the lid and let it to boil in the high flame for 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Don't overdo it. It may lead to breakage of the balls. Let it to boil for 10 minutes in medium flame. Just off the stove and close it. Let it to sit. Rasgullas are ready to serve now. Let's jump to see the preparation of gujiya. Things you will need: a coconut, 2 cups of maida, 2 tablespoons of suji, 2 tablespoons of chickpea powder, ghee, cashews, pinch of salt and water. Add 2 cups of maida, ghee, 2 tablespoons of suji, pinch of salt, mix it and knead it by adding the water gradually. Ensure that it should be hard like this. Let it to sit for few minutes. Meanwhile, switch on the stove, add some ghee, add cashew and grated coconut. Stir it until the moisture gets evaporated. Switch off the stove, take a bowl, add coconut mixture, add 2 tablespoons of chickpea powder and powdered sugar. Now our stuffing is ready. Now take our kneaded dough and make a small circle shape with the dough. If you have this, use it to make, or otherwise you can stuff it on your own. Apply oil, place the dough, keep some stuff, apply water on the side. Now close, open. Oh yeah, we nailed it! Keep the oil to fry. Make sure oil should be medium heated. So yeah, our sweet is ready. To decorating section. Yeah, I have already made this DIY paper diyas. Let's see. I decorated the wall with diyas and some fairy lights and rangoli also. It took more over 2 hours to finish, and I will show you in the next clip. Looking so cool, right? And then we are moved to start applying the henna, and thereafter we are off to the bed. Thank you to see this video patiently. Hope you had a safe and happy Diwali.